Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we are going to see methods used with set data type. So this is the part 1. These 4 methods we are going to see today: add method, remove method, discard method and pop method. So we will see these methods practically. First method is add method. As its name suggests, this method is used to add an element to the set. Now I am defining here one set S1, for example 1 2 3. So these are the elements in this set, and S1 dot add, for example I want to add here 100. Now I have used here add method, and if I print this set on the console, S1, and after running this code, see here, so this is our original set 1 2 3. These are the elements, and after adding 100 we got here 100 in our set. Next method is remove method. As its name suggests, it removes the specified element from the set. It raises key error if the element is not present. We will see this practically now. I am defining here S2, and this S2 is containing 3 4 5, and I want to remove, for example, 5. So I will use here remove method, remove 5. So this element is present here. Then I will print this S2 on the console, S2, and if I run this, see here S2 is containing 3 4 5, but after remove 5 has got removed, and now here 3 4, right? Now we will give here one element which is not present in this set. For example, remove, I will give here 90. So 90 is not there. We will get error because 90 is not there in the set. See here, we got here key error 90. So remember this. Next method is discard. It removes specified element from the set if present. If whatever element you have given it is not present, it doesn't raise any error. Remove method raises error, but discard method doesn't raise error. So now I am defining here S3, one new set, and now it contains 9 10 11. Now I want to remove, for example, 11. Now I am going to use here discard method, and we will print this S3 here, and if I run this, see here in S3 it is containing 9 10 11, but after discard it is giving 11 is removed and it has given 9 and 10. Now we will give to this discard method an element which is not present. What happens, we will check. For example 30 I have given, and if I print this S3 again, obviously it will give the same S3 because 30 is not present. See here, it has printed this S3 again, but at this line error is not raised because we have used discard method. Next method is pop method. This method removes and returns any random element from the set. Arbitrary means any random element from the set, and raises key error if the set is empty. We will see this practically. Now I am defining here one set S4, and set elements are 11 22 33, and S4 dot pop, and it will return that value also. We will catch that in one variable in val. I will print this val on the console, and we will print this S4 also, this set. If I run this, val is 33 and S4 is 11 and 22. So it has removed randomly 33 from the set, and that return value we got here as 33. Next point is it raises key error if the set is empty. If set is empty, we will get key error. Now how to create empty set? We have to use set function for that. Set, and we will run this now. So what we are doing now, we are calling this pop method on empty set. We will get key error. If I run this, see, key error pop from empty set. So remember, whenever you are using this pop method. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.